What's up guys, Baz here from Beckett Boy, back again with another video. Today's video we will show you how to correctly package and send out singles if you're selling them through Facebook or eBay, Amazon, places like that, and you're sending them out from home. We're going to show you the best way to do it, how I do it, and some of the equipment that you can get to ease a lot of the pain, to stop chargebacks, stuff like that. If you're loving our content, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down there so you get all the latest videos. So I've got all the stuff over here and I will quickly run through it bit by bit so you can see. Now, even if I'm selling cards at like $1 or $2 or whatever, I am able to cheaply provide tracking, not the $9 one from Australia Post, because a lot of people sort of think, well, if I'm going to be sending this, the people could just, you know, keep the card and say that it never arrived because there's no tracking and all the rest of it. And most people don't do that, but you do tend to come into problems like that down the line. Lost cards, or you know, the order didn't turn up, and they can say what they want. So if you're able to provide tracking that is still financially viable, it is better in the long run if you're going to sell a lot of cards, and this is a good way to do it. So I will provide the links in the description for all of the stuff that I buy, because you can buy it on eBay and Amazon, places like that. The tracking labels, the padded mailers, the cheap padded mailers that are really, really good, top loaders and penny sleeves. So we'll run through it bit by bit. So the first thing you need to do is you need penny sleeves. Now you can buy these by the 100 pretty cheaply. I am also working on bringing out my own branded version of these, and when that happens, you know, we'll drop a video and we'll go through it. Same as the semi-rigids, I'm going to be doing that as well, bringing out my own brand of semi-rigids, and I will be getting people to step up and test it. I'll be handing out some freebies at the start of production, which are perfect for grading. But off topic, first one you need is this. Number 2 is top loaders. Okay, now you can buy these in lots of 25, 50, and I think 100 if you search around enough, but these are the best to send cards because they're a bit harder, so a bit stronger protection. Really, really good. So penny sleeve, card inside the penny sleeve, and then inside the top loader. And I'll run through a dummy. I will go down to the lab and I will put it all together, put it in and show you how I would package it all up so that you can get a feel for if you think, oh, I might be doing it wrong, because people will still send them in regular envelopes, which, yeah, it's okay, but you know, the protection is not there, and a lot of people can complain, and you don't want that if you're going to be doing this properly. So now these are generic padded mailers, right? As you can see the size, they're pretty good. They'll fit a couple of cards in there, no problems. I buy these in lots of 50, and then you can just put your labels on the front and all that sort of stuff. So these are really, really good. And I was super stoked when I came across these because it solved a big problem. They're relatively cheap, and buying them in bulk is definitely the way to go. They're cheaper than the ones that Australia Post offer, and you can get these on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. If you are going to send graded slabs, if you're selling off graded slabs, I would recommend using the proper Australia Post one. A bit bigger, you can stuff a bit more padding inside, and you know, obviously slabs, usually you're selling it at a higher price point, so you can cover the cost of postage. That's just a tip on that. That's why I had that out. Now, tracking labels. Now, this is a box of 50 Australia Post tracking labels. I'll get a little row out. Now, what they are just these little bits of 2 each one. There's 25 of these and each one has 2. So if you're sending, you can just, and I'll show you the sort of the size comparison. It sort of just fits on like that. You put your stamps, I'll be on that side actually, and your stamps up top, and you write all your stuff here and your name on the back. Alright guys, we're out in the lab now, so I'm going to quickly just demonstrate how I would package up. Okay, a lot of people still don't do this. So you've got a raw card, one that's not inside a sleeve. We're going to sleeve that up, and then we're going to place it inside the top letter like that. Now, what I would do with that is rubber band that. I don't use tape, I use rubber bands, okay? And I would just rubber band that way, rubber band that way, and then place it inside one of these, and then fix your tracking, your 2 postage stamps, and your address obviously on that. So that's that, guys. I will leave links in the description for all of that gear, right down to panty sleeves and top loaders. That's just a bit of cardboard, which you just fix it to that. Just gives it a bit more stability behind there, and when it's in the package, it's a bit harder, a bit firmer. You can put one on both sides if you want, but I've found that one on the back is fine. All right, that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned. We've got some more stuff coming out in the coming days, and we'll see you all next time.